The jumping tree vocabulary activity. Use each vocabulary word in a sentence. Vendor. Noun. A person or company selling something. Now use that word in a sentence. Kindling. Noun. Small sticks or twigs used for starting a fire. Now use that word in a sentence. Mammoth. Adjective. Huge, enormous, gigantic. Now use that word in a sentence. Sidle. Verb. To carefully walk, sometimes sideways. Now use that word in a sentence. And contract. Noun. A written or spoken agreement, a commitment. Now you may use that word in a sentence.